So today I'm going to show you guys this wig that I have from Hermosa hair. Comes packaged in this really cute purple bag. I look a mess. In the bag you get your wig and some goodies. So there is a band that I probably need. Nails. They always have like free gifts. There's lashes, and then what is this? A little mini brush set. So we love free gifts. So the wig that I have is a 8x5 pre-everything glueless wig. It is a little damp because I did wash this wig, and it also has curtain bangs. So I'm really excited because I've been fiending for some bangs. So we're gonna try this wig on. I am, of course, going to put my hair back because we don't have a braid down. I'm going to put a wig cap on and like flip my hair up. So I'm gonna put this wig cap, and my edges are old, but we're gonna leave those out. So I'm just gonna flip my hair up underneath the cap instead of putting in a ponytail. So hopefully it stays. Okay. You can kind of see the cap through the lace. The lace is very thin. So, okay, so this is the shaggy look is kind of cute, but this is what it looks like. It's like 80% dry. I like the natural texture. This is Bodywave texture. I have 26 inches, and then I chose the option with the curtain bangs. You can get this wig without the little bang. I'm actually going to trim the bang because I want it a little bit shorter. So I'm just gonna kind of cut the bang a little bit. I think that might be good. And then I'm gonna go in with my round brush blow dryer to kind of like So I wanted a little more fringe curtain bang action. So I'm just going in with my razor and cutting a little bit more off. So I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. And then I'm actually going to add some layers to the front so that when I do curl the hair, it like lays real cute. I didn't want to go too crazy, but this is how much I cut. I might go in and cut a little bit more, but so far I'm satisfied with how that looks. So I'm just going in with my curling iron to give the hair some nice like body waves. is how the curls turned out. This hair curled really easily. Definitely think it's because I blow dried it first, and I really did like the way the hair looked blown out. The texture is, it has some texture to it. So love this body wave hair from Hermosa. Also, cutting it made a huge difference. Cutting the extra layers that I cut. So I'll probably go in and cut some more because I kind of want like a super layered, like take me back to Farrah Fawcett styling days. But yeah, so I'll be sure to list all of Hermosa hair's info in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. Again, this is 220% density, and this is 26 inches. So this is where the hair falls on me. Love that for me. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.